joking.
You're recording?
And you're recording.
Okay, fantastic.
Three. Oh, careful.
3, 2,
1.
And then she waddles
That's
away.
for the edit. You first.
Where am I going? This way.
Reason.
Raisin.
Raison.
Raisin.
Tu as les
Raisin. There's a lot of people here.
Maybe it's reason that's icier than rhyme. That might be it. It's definitely a little scrapey.
Oh, he's all the way down there.
I'm gonna go catch him.
Wait, look at me.
You're good.
Okay.
How was my turn though?
Your turns were good. I don't know what mine were. I don't get it. You were carving good. I was starting carving.
The view.
But I wanted to get them more quick, short radius.
I'm listening. Oh, sorry. I'm sort of watch Rahul and listen to you. I couldn't see what you were doing.
Lost a little control at the end there.
Yeah.
But the first couple were nice, I felt like.
You're
good.
You're good.
Okay.
Yeah, I know I said this before. I don't know how helpful this is, but if you're making a left turn, you want to use your left hand.
Yes.
Okay, yeah. All right, let's go. Well, maybe after these people here, these fine. Whoop. These fine folks.
After these people. Ow. It is the Great Northern. The Great Northern.
Northern.
The
Great Northern.
Oh.
Duh. I was trying to figure out what that is. It's got to be the bottom half of reason.
How are you doing, Sofia?
That's real, right there.
Good, how are you?
Excellent. Thank you for asking.
Yeah, all right.
Fantastic.
We could do it next time.
What are we doing? Yeah.
What?
Nothing, just talking about you.
Yes.
Okay.
You actually were.
Well, I believe you. That is the bottom half of reason.
Reason.
Yeah.
Oh.
Where?
That trail that I couldn't figure out, it's the bottom half of reason.
Oh.
So maybe next time we can do like top half of rhyme, bottom half reason.
We might not end up near the list.
We will.
Oh.
Yeah, we just go around here and then there.
Yeah, exactly.
I see. There's a little bit of dirt up there. Oh no, wait, never mind. That's just under the gondola.
No, we've been here.
Oh, we have?
Yeah, we took this last time.
Okay.
All right, who's first?
Me?
All right, you. You haven't gone first in a while.
All right. Please watch me well.
I will train. I'll do train. Go
Okay.
on.
How was that?
That was pretty good. Just for future. Well, first of all, yeah, you're still good. Am I still good?
Yeah, you're still
All right, good.